Good afternoon, classmate and tutor. My name is Lilia Carrillo. I am 4 years old. I live in the countryside. Occasionally copy my time reading, study psychology program, and live with my husband. Tags 4 Let's Tal answer shipping tech. My recipes is hen stew, Colombian typical dish. List of ingredients. I like hen. I pound potatoes. I use a point, a curd of carrots, 6 on the cob, cut in half, 1 large onions, 1 garlic clove, salt is desired, 1 teaspoon black pepper sofrito, if desired, avocado is desired, is decoration, 20 cups of water, 2 green plantains peeled, 2 hen bowl cubes, a curry, chopped fresh cilantro. Preparation. 1. In a large pot, place the chicken or hen, cum, aliños, hen, salt, and green plantains, the water and brings to a boil. Then cover and reduce heat the medium and cook for about 30 to 35 minutes. 2. And the potatoes, yuca, and pepper and continue cooking for 30 more minutes or until the yuca and potatoes are for tender seeds in the cilantro. 3. Titsi and adjust the season served in large soft bowls, dividing the hen and vasto bowl evenly. Sancocho de gallina is a popular dish in Colombia, accompanied with avocado is the most delicious recipe to prepare every day. You can cordially invite to try this recipe. Thank you. Goodbye, Lilia Carrillo.